So here it is our institute, and it is the road coming from Champati, and here it is the Child Engineering and Management College entrance gate, and it is the parking space. Also we are mentioning it here in the approved intake part of our institute. Now here it is the entrance. हाँ. So myself Shuman Datta, Assistant Professor of Civil Engineering Department, and now please enter into the institute. Here it is the security room. So let us go to the institute further. So here is our institute main building, and it is building number 1. And also we have the facility of transportation. Bus service is available. Main building and entrance of the building. And also we have the transportation facility, the bus facility here. So here it is our reception space, and the dustbin is available for waste material depositing. And here it is the notice board. All the notices are mentioning here. It is a fire extinguisher and the fire safety equipment. And here it is the online NPTEL and SWAYAM courses. The banner is totally mentioned here. Here it is the fire extinguisher and fire safety results. There are some complaint deposit box if any. So here it is the classroom number 6. Here it is the classroom number 5. Here it is our classroom number 2. So here it is our classroom number 1, and in our institute all the classrooms are 66 square meter, and those are used for academic purpose. Now let us come to this lab.
Now this is our power system 1, power system 2 and power electronics lab.
Here it is the library for physically challenged. And now here it is the fire alarm safety system. Here it is the fire alarm safety system in case of fire emergency. And also we provide CCTV for safety and security purposes to this lab.
Now this is our electrical machine 1, electrical machine 2 and electrical light lab.
Here it is our classroom number 2. Here it is the classroom number 4. So here it is the chemistry lab and environment engineering lab. So here it is the toilet for boys, and here it is the portable water supply, and the basin is available for use, and also the water cooler for drinking water purpose, and beside that the girls toilet is there. So now it is the principal's office of our institute, and here is the principal's room. And also the toilet is available attached with this room. Ground floor of our institute, and here is the faculty room 1. So here it is the physics lab of our institute. And here it is the dark room of our physics lab. Here it is the classroom number 7. Okay, so as you know, the campus is totally ragging free. So it is a ragging free campus. We are mentioning it, and for safety and security purpose, the CCTV is available there. And here it is the fire extinguisher for in case of fire emergency it is available. And let us enter to the computer center. So here it is available machines for students and also faculty members to access the internet. So here it is the maintenance room of our institute. So here it is the ramp available for the entrance. Here the ramp is available for the entrance. And here it is the fire exit. In case of emergency of fire safety, the exit point, exit stairs are there. And also beside that, here it is the toilet for physically challenged. Here it is available for that. Here it is the HUD room number 2, and let us enter to the room. So here it is our computer lab, and it is used for computer center. It is the tutorial room 2. So here it is tutorial room the basin for washing purpose, and also the boys toilet and girls toilet here. So this is classroom number 12, and it is also available the facility of projector. Number 11. And now it is classroom number 10. So now here it is our simulation lab. And here it is a fire exit for fire in emergency cases. It is a fire exit. Now here is the language lab of our institute. Here it is our classroom number 8. So here it is our classroom number 9. Here it is classroom number 13. And here it is the classroom number 14. Now this classroom is allotted for diploma level classroom. So here it is our first aid cum sick room. So here it is our exam cell of our institute. Okay. So here it is diploma classroom 1, and in this classroom the projector setup is available. Now let's come to the HOD room. Here it is the departmental HOD room. So here it is the library of our institute. There are 12,000 numbers of books available, and also 40 numbers of e-journals are available here. So all the books are available here in this library. Now let us focus on the software which is operating in this library. हमारा लाइब्रेरी में लाइब्रेरी सॉफ्टवेयर है, उस लाइब्रेरी सॉफ्टवेयर में से हम लोग स्टूडेंट लोगों को किताब दे सकते हैं। नया किताब जब आएगी मतलब उसमें हम एंट्री भी कर सकते हैं और स्टूडेंट लोग इधर से सर्च करके देख सकते हैं कौन सा किताब लाइब्रेरी की सॉफ्टवेयर में लाइब्रेरी में अवेलेबल है या नहीं है, कौन सा किताब उन लोगों के पास है, कौन सा किताब हमारा पास है, वो सब कुछ इस सॉफ्टवेयर में सॉफ्टवेयर के अंदर से वो लोग देख सकता है। टोटली ऑटोमेटिकली ऑपरेटेड होता है ऑनलाइन में। सो नाउ वी आर इन library of our institute and here it is the reading room. This reading room is available for students and faculty members also, and there are number of books those are available for reading purposes. Campus is totally ragging free, so all the banners are available. So here it is our seminar room. So now we are in the seminar room of our institute. In this seminar room, the toilet is available also. So here it is our board room, chairman's room and director's room. And the toilet is available here. So here it is the electronics device lab. Here it is the measurement and machine lab. Here it is the digital system design lab and computer organization lab. Now here it is the network theory lab. So here it is our drawing wall. This is the analog circuit lab of our institute. Here it is the engineering geology lab. So here it is the EM theory and transmission lab of EC department. It is the basic electrical lab. Here it is the microprocessor and microcontroller lab. So here it is the analog and digital communication lab. Now welcome to the electrical measurement lab. Generally, we need 34 numbers of lab. So the AICTE criteria based, it is required 34, but we have excess lab. So the labs, some labs are left vacant according to the requirement since it is excess. As per guidelines, we require 34 numbers of lab, but it is space wise a extra lab is there, so this lab is left vacant for the purpose. So here it is our stationery store room 2. So here it is our faculty room number 2. And in this faculty room, the toilet, attached toilet is available here. And also here the attached toilet. So it is our central store room. So here it is the potable water available and also the basin available for use. It is the housekeeping of our institute. So here it is the panel box for fire safety purposes. And so here it is the fire safety precautions taken. As per the West Bengal Safety Board, we are considering all the accommodation in our institute regarding the fire safety system and emergency case of this, and also the hose pipes are available in case of emergency we can use it. So here it is the fire safety and fire safety alarm system is available. In case of emergency, it is useful for our institute. Fire safety equipment and panel box is there for fire safety, and also we are mentioning that our campus is totally ragging free, so stop ragging. So it is the workshop 2 for diploma, and here it is the CNC machine available and all the devices available for this workshop. So it is the workshop 2 for diploma level, and here it is the CNC machine which is used in this workshop. So here it is the portable water supply for drinking water purpose, and also the basin is available for use, and beside that the ladies toilet, and here it is the gents toilet. So here it is the metrology and measurement lab. So it is our placement room. So here it is lab number 24 and allotted for diploma level laboratory. So now here it is the lab and it is allotted for diploma level laboratory. So here it is another lab which is allotted for diploma level laboratory. So here it is the drawing hall 1 and 2. Both these lab are together 132 square meter, and it is allotted for diploma level drawing hall. It is lab number 32. It is allotted for diploma level laboratory. Since we have the space wise maximum numbers of lab, so this lab is left vacant. This is the office all inclusive of our institute. So it is our pantry room. It is the field surveying and geomatics lab. It is the geotechnical and soil mechanics lab. So let us come to the concrete technology lab. So here it is the diploma tutorial room. So here it is the building number 2, and let us enter this building. Here it is the tutorial room. So here it is the dynamic machine lab. So here it is the heat transfer lab. Here it is the highway and transportation engineering lab. So here it is the fluid mechanics lab. So now we are in our seminar room for diploma. So it is the seminar room of diploma. So this is the additional workshop allotted for diploma level, and it is more than 150 square meter area. So here it is the manufacturing technology lab. Let us enter to this lab. Here it is the manufacturing technology lab. These two labs are totally togetherly 132 square meter. There are some instruments of this lab. So let us come to this mechanical workshop, and this workshop is more than 200 square meter area inside this. So here it is the mechanical workshop, which is more than 200 square meter area. Here it is the vice of workshop. Here it is the boys common room and the playing facility, game facility are available. So here it is the girls common room. So here it is the canteen and cafeteria of our institute. So here it is the office and administrative block building. So here it is the generator room, and generator is available for electric backup power supply. So here it is the electricity supply, power grid system, and all the West Bengal electricity supply is transferred from here for our institute building. So it is the high-speed internet connectivity tower. The internet is connected to this tower. So here it is the transportation facility available in our institute. The bus service is always available.